How to install Goodbudget application. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Goodbudget application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your App Store if you are using iOS. For an Android, open your Google Play Store. I am going on with Google Play Store. Now, tap on the search icon present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present at the top. Now type in Goodbudget. Then tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you can see Goodbudget, budget and finance option. Tap on it. Then you'll be able to find install option. Now tap on install. Now wait for your installation process to complete. This usually takes few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, you can see open option. Now you can tap on open option to use your application. With this, now you'll be able to install Goodbudget application. Here you can see on my home screen that my Goodbudget application has been installed. And this is how you install Goodbudget application on your mobile phone. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, share and comment. Thank you.